Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to walk you through the steps to fix network file sharing in Windows 11. Let's jump right into it. To begin, click on the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. In the window that appears, look for SMB File Sharing Support. Under that, tick the box for SMB CIFS Client and hit OK. Once done, proceed to restart your system. After restarting, it's time to set up network file sharing. Search for and open the control panel. In the control panel, select Network and Internet from the category view. Next, navigate to Network and Sharing Center and click on it. Within this window, click Change Advanced Sharing Settings in the sidebar. In the Advanced Sharing Settings for Windows 11, make sure to enable Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing options for all networks. Now, let's configure the necessary services. Search for Services and open the Services window. Locate Function Discovery Provider Host and double-click on it. In the window that appears, click the Stop button to halt the service. Set the startup type to Automatic and click Start. Don't forget to apply and click OK. Similarly, find Function Discovery Resource Publication Service and select Automatic as the startup type. Click Start. And then apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully configured network file sharing settings in Windows 11. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.